No, we're just gonna get right to it. What is up, YouTube? It's the Smooth King 2000, and today the Cavs beat Toronto. 103-95, I think so. 103-95. I have to check that. Well, Cavs are 3-0 in the series. Good shit. We need about one more game to eliminate and sweep. We're gonna sweep them. How the fuck they do that? Fuck. We're just gonna, I don't know how they sweep them. But, we're gonna sweep them and then go to the next round. Probably gonna face the Celtics. Tough game. And, probably a good game too. And, then we're gonna face whoever's in the West. Probably Warriors versus goddamn Cavaliers. I want it to be Houston versus the Cavs so we can make it even. A good game between Houston and the Cavs would be great. Houston offense is good. Warriors, they're just like all day. Steph Curry, 3 all fucking time. He just shoots a 3 every time. It's not fair. It's not fair for the NBA to have the 3-point line just fucking over limited by Steph Curry and Klay Thompson and Kevin Durant and Draymond Green. And I can't go longer that far. And JaVale McGee's playing good, but I don't like him if he's on the Warriors. You feel me? So, the Cavs won. So they are 3-0. Their playoff record is 6-0. So quick win, and we go to the next round. Boom. And this is the end of the video. So I'm out. Smooth King.